Hey guys, in this video I want to go over the proper way to bind, or how I kind of cue binds in my classes. I brought my beautiful wife here, Bonnie, to show it because I think it's a little bit easier for me to show it on somebody else's body than trying to talk and walk you through it. So I'll have her just set up with right foot forward, left knee down. We'll just come into moon pose. Right, and with the bind, what you're looking for is you want to reach the right arm out to the right, have them turn the thumb down, right? This sets the shoulder, and then bend your elbow, bring the hand behind the back. Now, the most vulnerable position for the shoulder, or one of the most vulnerable positions for the shoulder, is with the arm bent and then the hand back. So she's kind of replicating this position here in the bind. So the elbow back, the arm bent, that's what's going to it can potentially compromise the shoulder or affect the shoulder. So for this, what I like to do is when she takes the hand behind her back, is to press the back of her hand or her forearm into her back to draw her elbow a little bit forward. So you want the shoulders drawing towards each other, drawing the shoulders down the back, and then a firm press through the hand to draw the elbow forward. Because when the elbow comes back, I don't know if you can see it too on the video, but what's happening is the head of her humerus is pressing into the capsule around the joint. So it's getting a little bit of a bump right about here. So then that capsule is then pressing out. So it's basically just stuff running into stuff. So when we take the elbow and we press it slightly forward, it's adjusting the head of the humerus back onto the socket. So it's taking more surface area of the socket with more surface area of the ball. So when we take this bind, this is how I teach it. I teach a slight draw of the elbow forward. If she's going to come in, so come into Utkatasana, come into a revolved chair. As she comes into a revolved chair, right, and I have them open the arms, take a half bind. She takes the right thumb down towards the back, bends the elbow, comes back. What I see mostly is when we're in a twist and we add the bind, people's elbow tends to roll back. So the twist is actually coming from the elbow. Again, potentially compromising here, but we're also not really twisting as much from the spine, from the ribs, we're twisting from the elbow. So from here, I want her to press her forearm into her back to draw the elbow down and into the ribs a little bit. And then focus more on rotating from the ribs and the shoulder here. Okay? Come into it from crescent lunge. I want to kind of show one more thing. So revolve crescent lunge. What you see, the same thing here. As you come into it, take your half bind. So she turns the thumb back, bends the elbow. Right, same thing, elbow coming back, shoulder kind of staying the same. So pressing the hand and the shoulder, pulling the elbow back, and then rotating the shoulder and the ribs together rather than just the elbow. She may feel like she's twisting deeper if the elbow is going more back, but the rib cage is actually not spinning with her. Okay, so when you're taking the binds, right, roll the shoulder blades down the back, press the elbow forward. So forearm, hand pressing in, elbow forward, activating it a little bit to the front and sides of the shoulders, and then if we're twisting, you're rolling from the rib and from the shoulder. Okay, try that out. Let me know what you think. Thank you much. Thanks to my beautiful wife. Namaste.